So let us have a look at some of the important terms we already know. So one of those terms is matter. Okay, so what is matter? Matter is बेसिक डेफिनेशन सिंपल वर्ड्स में लिखेंगे हम लोग, सिंपल वर्ड्स में हम लोग उसको डिफाइन करेंगे. सो यू नो दैट anything which has what, which has mass, जिसको मास रहता है and volume is called as matter. ठीक है, in the previous classes you learned. So anything which has mass and volume is called as matter. And in order to understand some of the concept again, we have to revise one important concept, that the matter is made up of an element. Okay, so element is nothing but, element is what it, I must say, or I just write it down, the basic definition of element, that the element, or I must say an element constitutes matter. ठीक है, मैटर किससे बना हुआ होता है? इट मेड अप ऑफ एलिमेंट. ओके, एंड यू नो दैट द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ एन एलिमेंट इज कॉल्ड एज एन atom. What is an atom? Atom is nothing but what? The, I must say, the smallest part of an element is called as atom. Okay, so as you know that the atom consists of what? Atom किस चीज का बना हुआ होता है? तो atom is made up of, atom is having centrally placed nucleus. atom जो रहता है, atom को centrally placed nucleus होता है, and there are some shells or some orbits around which the different electrons that are revolving. ठीक है, उसके around जो होता है, there are different orbits that are associated. So here this is nucleus of the atom. And what is nucleus of the atom? As we know that the nucleus of the atom, I must say that it is the nucleus of the atom. Purposely I am not writing it as a n, because n is the special element which is, there is the special symbol given to the element nitrogen. nitrogen के लिए n ये symbol दिया जाता है element के लिए. तो I am writing one of the element called as hydrogen. And you know that all the mass of the atom is concentrated at the center in the nucleus. ठीक है, तो जितना भी एटम का मास होता है, that is concentrated at the center of the atom, that is nucleus, contains protons, positively charged protons, and neutrons. ठीक है, neutrons. So neutron has no charge, and there are negatively charged electrons that are revolving around this nucleus. Okay, so these are revolving in one particular orbit. Okay, so as you know that once we define the atom has what? Atom has atomic number. What is atomic number? Atomic number is nothing but the number of proton or electron. एक in an atom, एक एटम में in an atom is called as atomic number. Okay, atomic number denoted by Z. And there is atomic mass number. Atomic mass number. What is atomic mass number? Atomic mass number, it is denoted by capital A. So what is that atomic mass number? Atomic mass number is equal to number of proton or number of electron plus number of neutron. तो इसका मतलब है कि एटॉमिक मास नंबर कैपिटल A इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन इज इक्वल टू, ये क्या है? एटॉमिक नंबर, दैट इज नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन, or number of electron, number of proton or number of electron is called as atomic number. So I can write Z for this plus number of neutron. I can write N for this. So here number of neutrons. So this is the basic formula. You know that atomic mass number, that is capital A, is equal to the number of the proton or the electron plus number of neutron. Okay, so let us have a look at this, that what this is going to play the role in. As you know that there are different elements which have their atoms associated with them. So this atomic number and this atomic mass number, this play very important role. How come? Because we know that in the universe every element is struggling for getting settled. Okay, हर एक एलिमेंट जो होता है वो सेटल होने के लिए या स्टेबल होने के लिए स्ट्रगल करते रहता है. एंड यू नो दैट द एटम इज इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल. एज यू नो दैट एटम इज न्यूट्रल. न्यूट्रल का मतलब क्या होता है? द पॉजिटिव चार्ज इन द, I must say, the positive charge is equal to negative charge. Okay, so positive charge is equal to negative charge. So here when I talk about the positive charge is equal to negative charge मतलब कि एटम में positive charge proton is equal to the electron. Okay, so the neutral atom has proton and the neutron number same. So what we are going to look at this, whenever there is another term which is called as the valency of the atom. Atom क्या होता है? Atom की क्या होती है? Valency होती है. What is the meaning of valency? Valency is nothing but the number of electron, in the outermost shell of an atom required to complete the octet of an atom is called as valency. That is the basic definition of the valency. Okay, so you know that whatever is the atom, okay, जो भी atom होगा, like if I talk about hydrogen, so atomic number is what? Hydrogen का atomic number है 1. If I talk about helium, so atomic number क्या है? 2. If I talk about say for that matter lithium, atomic number क्या है? 3. If I talk about कार्बन, एटॉमिक नंबर क्या है? 6 है. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट नाइट्रोजन, एटॉमिक नंबर कितना है? 7 है. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट ऑक्सीजन, एटॉमिक नंबर कितना है? 8 है. एंड यू नो दैट हाउ दिस इज कैटेगराइज्ड. देन अगर इसको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करना है इसका, तो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, आई कैन राइट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन फॉर हाइड्रोजन इज इक्वल टू only one electron, because you know that there is centrally situated nucleus in the hydrogen atom and there is only single electron that is revolving around. Okay, if I talk about say helium में 2 रहेंगे, तो helium is having 2, so here these 2 electrons that are revolving, similarly there are 2 protons are here. Okay, so in case of the helium, if I talk about carbon, okay, carbon के बारे में बात करो, carbon has the atomic number as 6. So you know that there are now 2 shells that are associated. जितने ज्यादा electrons उतनी ज्यादा shell, because we know that during electronic configuration we have different shell K, L, M and N depending upon the number of electron that any atom has. This shell number, the capacity of the cell number that increases. ठीक है, तो K shell में कितने होते हैं? 2 electrons होते हैं. L shell में कितने होते हैं? 8 electrons होते हैं. M shell में कितने होते हैं? M shell में maximum there would be 18 electrons that are there, and here there would be 32 electrons that are there. So this is the different electronic configuration. So what happens, whatever is the electron that is required to complete the maximum capacity of this particular orbit is said to be what? It's said to be the octet. Okay, it's said to be the, sorry, it's said to be the valency of the दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑर्बिट, ठीक है। तो इस पर्टिकुलर ऑर्बिट की उस वो वैसे वैसे क्या होगी, वैलेंसी होगी। सो एवरी आइटम फॉर दैट मैटर, अगर मैं कार्बन की बात कर रहा हूं 6, कार्बन का वैलेंसी है, कार्बन का एटॉमिक नंबर है कार्बन का 6। ओके, सो कार्बन का एटॉमिक नंबर है 6। कार्बन का एटॉमिक नंबर है 6। So how this electronic configuration will be? Electronic configuration will be, पहले इसमें ऑर्बिट में कितने आएंगे, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आएंगे, एंड दूसरे ऑर्बिट में कितने हैं आना चाहिए वहां पे 4 आना चाहिए। लाइक 6 में से कितने गए, पहले इसमें 2 गए, दैट इज इन द के शेल, एंड एम एल शेल में कितने आए, सिर्फ और सिर्फ